Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. All the blessings and grace of Allah, you will be fine too. Today I'm going to teach you about three sounds of ed. The ed sound is pronounced t if it is followed by p, k, sh, ch, s, f and h. For example, watched, dropped, asked, helped, thanked. The ed sound is pronounced d if it is followed by b, g, I, j, l, m, n, o, v, u, x, w, y, z. For example, loved, tired, behaved, rubbed, lived. The ed sound is pronounced id if it is followed by a t or d. For example, visited, painted, decided, wanted, started. I hope now you will better understand the concept of three sounds of ed. With the help of the different examples, you can differentiate the sounds of three sounds of ed very easily. Let's see some more examples.